Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of x given that we have 9 raised to power sine square x plus 9 raised to power cos square x equals 6. So guys, let's have it to the solution. So from here we have 9 raised to power sine square x plus 9 raised to power cos square x to be equals 6. But recall that from trigonometry identity, we have sine square x plus cos square x to be equals 1. And so from here, if sine square x plus cos square x equals 1, we can have sine square x to be equals 1 minus cos square x. So when we note this to be like this, sine square x equals 1 minus cos square x, by substituting it here, then we are going to have this to be 9 raised to power 1 minus cos square x plus 9 raised to power cos square x. Then we have everything to be equals 6. Now, we have to recall from law of indices, when you have a raised to power m minus n, when you have a raised to power m minus n, this can be simplified to be equals a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. So by applying this expression here, then we are going to have it to be 9 raised to power 1 divided by 9 raised to power cos square x plus 9 raised to power cos square x to be equals 6. And so therefore guys, we have 9 raised to power cos square x, 9 raised to power cos square x here. We have it to be in common. So we can have it to be, let 9 raised to power cos square x to be equals m. If 9 raised to power cos square x equals m, then we're going to have this to be 9 divided by, instead of having this one, we have it to be m plus, instead of having this one, we also have it to be m, then we have everything to be equal 6. Now guys, to get rid of this m here, we can multiply through by m, then we have it to be m multiplied by 9 divided by m plus m, we have this multiplied by m as well. So this, we cancel this, we have it to be 9 plus this multiplied by this will be m squared, then we have it to be equals 6m. So now from here, when this we cancel this, we have it to be 9, this multiplied by this, we have it to be m squared, then this multiplied by this, we have it to be 6m. Now from here, let's rearrange. We're going to have this to be m squared. Let this one come here to be minus 6m plus 9. We have everything to be equal 0. Guys, this is a quadratic, and we can solve this using quadratic method, which implies that we can have this minus 3m will be equals minus 6m. So we can apply this simple ideology here in order to do something reasonable. So we can have this to be m squared minus 3m plus 9 to be equals 0. Now we have this to be equal this. Now we can take this together as m squared minus 3m. Then we have this one to be minus out. Then we have our 3m here. When you open the bracket with m, then you have your minus here back. Since you have plus here, then we have minus out. Then we need to have minus 9 to be equal 0. Because we believe minus times minus will give us plus. Now what is common here is m, so we can also factor this out to be m into m minus this divided by this, we have it to be 3 Then what is common here is 3. You can factor it out to be 3 into m minus 3 equals 0. So guys, from here we have m minus 3 to be common. We can have it to be m minus 3. Then we have this divided by this. Then we have it to be m. Then this divided by this, we have it to be minus 3m equals 0. We have this to be twice, so we can have it to be m minus 3 squared to be equals 0. And so therefore we can have this to be as this. By squaring both sides, when you have m minus 3 all squared to be equals square root of 0, this will take away this. We have m minus 3, then this will be equals 0. Now from here, guys, we have our m to be equals 3. When our m equals 3, then we have to recall from here that we have 9 raised to power cos square x equals m. So therefore, we can simply have this back as what? From here, we have it to be 9 raised to power cos square x that equals m equals 3. So now we have this to be equals this. Now from here, this implies that we have 9 raised to power cos square x equals 3. Now let us have 9 to be in base 3 as 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by cos square x equals 3. But mind you that they have the same base, and this can be raised to be 1, and we have this to be the same, which implies that we have 2 cos square x to be equals 1. We can equate their power, and by dividing both sides, this will take away this. Then we have our cos square x to be equals 1 divided by 2. So from here, to get rid of this square, we can take the square root of both sides. Then we have it to be square root of cos square x equals square root of 1 divided by 2. Now from here, it is very simple that we have this to be cancel this. Then we have cos x to be equals square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2. Then we can rationalize this by multiplying through by what? Square root of 2 divided by square root of 2. Now we have this to be cos x. This times this, we have it to be square root of 2. Square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2, we have it to be 2. Because when you have it to be square root multiplied by square root of 2, we have this to be taking one square root, you have 2 times 2. This will be square root of 4. And square root of 4, we have it to be 2. That is how we have this. So now, from here, we can, to get the value of x, we can have, though we have x to be equals cos inverse. Now, this is going to be 2 solutions. Then we can have it to be positive or negative. Then square root of 2 divided by 2. So we have our x, we can have it out to be positive or negative, cos inverse of square root of 2 divided by 2, which equals positive or negative, cos inverse of 0.707107, and we have, by pressing this one, we have this one to be equals x equals 45 degrees. Now, by considering the fact that we can have for the positive value of x and for the negative, let us consider these 4 cardinal points. We believe that all students take chemistry. That means that all trigonometric identities, sine, and we have cos, and tan, they are all positive here. And here is only sine that it is what? Positive. So now, that means we are looking for where x is positive for the first one. Sine is only sine that is positive here. From here is only cos, it's only tan that is positive. Now from here is only what? Cos that is positive. And we are looking for the positive value of x. Now we can move like this to be like this, to around this place. Now from here we have this to be 90 degree, then we have this one to be 180, then we have this one to be 270 degree. Now it will now be 270 degree plus 45 degree, and we have this one to be 5, this will be, this one will be 11, we have it to be 1, this one will be 13, then we have it to be 315 degree. Now likewise, when x is negative, then what will be the value of x? And from here we have, it to be, all students take chemistry, from here sine, cos, and tan are positive. So from here we have it to be only sine to be positive. Therefore we can have cos to be negative here and tan. And so therefore we can have this to be 180 degree plus 45. Then we are going to have this to be 135 degree. And likewise also, from here we have only tan to be positive. So we also have it to be 270. We also have it to be 270 degree plus 45 degree. Then this one will give us 225 degree. And so that is the final answer for the value of x. We have it to be this, then we have it to be this. If you are not sure what this video, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. And here are the steps.